fuck is this?
What the fuck is this?
What the fuck are you talking about?
What the fuck are you talking about? The Chinaman is not the issue here, dude.
What the fuck?
What the fuck are you talking about?
Guy.
What the fuck are you
Walter, he peed on my rug.
He peed on the dude's rug.
What the fuck is with this guy? Who is he?
What the fuck are you doing here, you fucker?
Shit!
What the fuck's going on there?
Walter!
What the fuck is
He
going
hung
on?
up, man!
What the fuck is this?
What the fuck are you doing, man? Stop it!
Shit, what the hell you doing? I'm banging that girl. Oh!
What the...
Have they called yet?
What the hell is this?
What the fuck?
Walter, what the fuck are you thinking, man?
You're right.
What the hell?
Here, what the fuck are you talking about?
Huh? No, what the fuck are you? I'm not. Fuck!
What the fuck is he talking about?
Fucking exactly what happened. That makes me fucking sick.
Homer, with all due respect, what the fuck are you talking about? And
What the fuck are you talking
Man,
about?
you're...
What the heck are you talking about?
What the fuck is that supposed to mean? What the fuck are we gonna tell Lebowski?
I'm sorry.
What the fuck? Does anything have to do with Vietnam?
Dude, I'm
what
sorry.
the fuck are you talking about?
Dude, I'm
How the fuck do you split a fucking car, you dummy? With a fucking chainsaw?
Oh! What the fuck?
in a limo, you son.
What the fuck?
Okay.
What the fuck is this?
There's just one thing, dude.
What's that?
You have to use so many cuss words.
The fuck are you talking about?